lies deeper than the scene, beyond the surface pain. The heart looks outward for relief, where nothing truly stays. Yet peace waits quietly within, beyond the shifting days. Future pain can be avoided when longing loosens hold, when life aligns with what endures instead of what grows old. By turning toward the eternal, the restless search grows still, and what once pulled the soul ahead no longer shapes the letting go of grasping ones that promise then withdraw, releases ties to fleeting joy and disappointment's law. Through steady living, mindful choice, no new pain is prepared. The path grows clean, the weight grows light through how each step is shared. Future pain can be avoided when longing loosens hold, when life aligns with what endures instead of what grows old. By turning toward the eternal, the restless search grows still, and what once pulled the soul ahead no longer shapes the will. The past unfolds as it must do, its lessons meet the day. Without resistance or regret, it slowly clears its way. What comes is met with steady sight, no fear of what will be. The soul accepts each moment's work as part of being free. Through non-attachment and clear living, the future finds no claim. No seeds are sown for sorrow's path, no echo left of strain. In harmony with deeper truth, the heart no longer roams, and peace appears as natural ground where spirit makes its home. Steady, clear,